And I am here in Munich with one of my students, Shankar Nair, who is doing his student colleague with Student Club Munich in M course.
In April, I went to Germany and I started my B2 course.
When we started the student colleague application for you, right? So, कितना easy process था आपके लिए कि आपको सिर्फ जाके letter आ गया invitation का and you just have to go and write the examination.
Right.
So, अगर हम नहीं करते suppose आपके लिए, so were you be able to do that things?
I mean, और अपना प्रूफिंग के लिए भी अप्लाई करते वक्त you have to do.
And I guess 3-4 months पहले ही हमने आपको वो list दे दी थी कि this are the M courses, this you will be applying, this are the deadlines, this are the requirements of B1 and B2.
आपके थ्रू मेरे को गाइडेंस मिली कि कहाँ अभी पॉसिबल है because
So now we are finalizing your bachelor's application, like basically the state examination application, right? So how you're feeling? So that now we are here in Munich, sitting with you and discussing the further plans.
I mean,
Hello everyone, so I am Amanpreet, co-founder of Amrit Palavision, and I am here in Munich with one of my students, Shankar Nair, who is doing his student colleague with Student Club Munich in M course. So let us ask his journey about studying in Germany, what was the process, what we have told him and how he had followed the process, and now what exactly he's planning, which universities, and how we have helped, how Amrit Palavision has helped to select his bachelor's universities also. Hi Shankar.
hello ma'am.
So please Shankar, tell me about your profile, some of the background about your 12th marks and the German language you have done.
Right. So in 2023, I was I had completed my 12th and then I gave NEET and then I was like, okay, maybe this isn't for me. I mean, to give NEET, and then I was thinking about like what other paths I could pursue, and then I was I through a family friend I got to know about Germany, and then we did a little research how we could get there, what are the universities we can get into, and then we researched a lot and we found Amrit Palavision and they helped me a lot. They guided us, like you helped us a lot because where to start, what are the requirements for Germany, especially in M course, because everyone comes to Germany for engineering first usually, yeah, right. And for M course there was a lot of like बहुत कम knowledge थी, and so then we got to talk to you and we got to know the process and what are the requirements, and especially for M course it's quite difficult to get into a university in Germany. You require near perfect scores,
Right.
and so I had 90+% in 12th, so that helped a lot. And then I started my German language around May of 2023, and then I completed till D1 in India by August, and then we applied for the visa, and around March I got my visa. I came to Germany, and then I started my B2C1 in
Eurasia.
Eurasia, yes.
Yeah.
And I completed my B2 because I completed my B2 and then I was in the process of giving Aufnahmeprüfung. So I gave in multiple cities like Berlin, Leipzig, Halle, Munich, and I got into Munich. So around September, and then I started my journey in Student College Munich, and now I'm basically at the end. In June I have my finals, and now again with the help of Amrit Palavision I have been applying for my universities, and they have helped me a lot to for preference.
Preference.
Yeah, so preference wise I am applying to my universities now, and so I will apply. The process has started yet now, and by July hopefully I'm hoping to apply to all the universities I'm hoping for, and yeah, so that I have currently, that is what has been the journey till now.
Right.
I'm hoping कि आगे भी with that guidance and क्योंकि even if I start my university due to the help of Amrit Palavijan, I have reached here, and I'm very sure that even during my studies at the university, Amrit Palavijan is going to be there
That
for
would
me.
definitely there, and we would like to see you as a doctor and doing medicine in Germany. And so we wanted to know that the timeline what I gave you, right?
Right.
Back in India.
Right.
How exactly is being followed by you, and how was that very like precise?
Right. Yeah, so what the timeline I got was in 2023 when I started my German language. That was the first step. So around, I was told that around Jan, Feb, I would be going to Germany to start my B2 in Berlin, Eurasia. थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया बट देन मार्च में अराउंड मार्च आई गॉट माई वीज़ा इन अप्रैल आई वेंट टू जर्मनी and I started my B2 course, and during my B2 course I started applying with the help of Amrit Palavision to the universities for Aufnahmeprüfung, and then I got the admission like for invitation letter for the Aufnahmeprüfung, and in the time period of July and August, I wrote my exams,
And you cleared that.
yes,
Right.
and then I chose to come to Munich, and for September till now, I have been completing my studies, and then around March, we started looking for universities to apply for,
Yeah.
and then we discussed like how we are supposed to apply, and what all processes are need to be done. For example, in Cologne,
Exactly.
we have to write tests because FSP and your 12th marks do not matter in Cologne, and uh, then again, what according to my wishes, they helped me make a preference list for the universities. So I am wanting to go to LMU. So according to that, they told me what to do, and we made a preference list and we discussed upon that, and now we're applying to the universities, and that's
So Shankar, I wanted to know that when we started the student colleague application for you, right? So कितना easy process था आपके लिए कि आपको सिर्फ जाके letter आ गया invitation का, and you just have to go and write the examination.
Right.
So अगर हम नहीं करते suppose आपके लिए, so were you be able to do that things?
I mean, it would have been possible for me, but वही है, it would have been थोड़ा सा hurdle रहता कि मतलब requirements क्या है, वो क्या है, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट कॉलेज का अपना रिक्वायरमेंट होता है,
Right.
एंड और अपना प्रूफिंग के लिए भी अप्लाई करते वक्त यू हैव टू डू यूनिवर्सिटीज के थ्रू यू हैव टू अप्लाई, एंड सो वी हैड टू बी वेरी सेलेक्टिव अबाउट आवर यूनिवर्सिटी चॉइसेस कि what are the possible universities where you can apply to, और फिर आपके थ्रू मेरे को गाइडेंस मिली कि कहाँ कहाँ अभी पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज I only had a B1 certificate at that point.
Exactly.
And I was still going through my B2. So we had to be very selective about our universities. तो उस इंस्टेंस में मेरे को बहुत गाइडेंस मिली कि कहाँ कहाँ अप्लाई करना है, एंड फिर
And I guess 3-4 months पहले ही हमने आपको वो लिस्ट दे दी थी कि this are the M courses,
Yes,
this you will be applying, this are the deadlines, this are the
Yes,
requirements of B1 and B2. So we need this particular certificate before this date.
Exact.
So that makes very easier because you have a timeline in your mind and you have a dedicated period that this month may I have to submit B2 or may I have to submit B1, and then only my application will be rolled out, right? Yeah, that's great. So now we are finalizing your bachelor's application, like basically the the state examination application, right? So how you're feeling? So that now we are here in Munich, sitting with you and discussing the further plans.
I mean, जब हम Zoom पे बात कर रहे थे, like I always felt कि मतलब बहुत सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, एंड especially since you're here now, face to face बात करते हुए I am feeling even more better कि मतलब अब अच्छे से प्लान आउट कर पा रहे हैं every step, like it has been very great, and I'm very thankful for all the help I've been getting till now.
Wow, that's great. So, what message you wanted to give to the students who are planning to study their student colleague in German, and specifically the M course?
Right. The only message I would like to give you all is work hard and do well, and B2 tak I would not even B2, even C1 I would encourage you to do, because the Aufnahmeprüfungen are the requirement is B2, but when you have a C1 you have an edge to over other students.
Sure.
And I would say ki like um, get some guidance, especially Amritpala Vision. They're very helpful. They any query you have, they are there every step of the way, and they will help you to get to your goal. And yeah, that
And most of the time we make basically we make this kind of videos for the student that makes very easy the procedure, and then they also know okay, I wanted to ask that in your student click the Aufnahmeprüfung, what kind of examinations you have given. This is the question for most of the students who are in M course. So since you are not having mathematics in your 12th,
right.
so what was exactly there?
So we had German and we had math, but the level of math I would say is not that high. Even if till 10th, if you had mathematics, it is very easy for you to pass if you practice and go through all the questions of past years. बहुत आसान होता है. And for German, especially so for Munich specifically, there are 3 parts. There is the C test, then there's the Satzaufbau, that is you have to make sentences out of the words they give you, and then you have these Lesefischen, that is the paragraph. They give you a paragraph, and according to the paragraph, you have to basically, it's like an unseen passage in the school that you might have done. And yeah, that is it. You just have to practice a lot, and I'm sure every one of you watching will get into Munich. It is
Right. So how difficult is the student colleague, like as compared to the friends of yours who are doing T course and been in different universities? So how difficult is student colleague Munich?
Munich specifically is supposed to, it is renowned as one of the most toughest student colleges in Germany, and I am like I can attest to that कि है मुश्किल, but if you are regular in your studies, आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई करोगे, then it is not going to be a problem. And like even we know that compared to T course, it is difficult to get into medicine because the requirement is around 1.1, 1.3.
Exactly.
So अगर आप रेगुलर रहोगे स्टडीज़ में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. You just have to give your best and you will be able to pass with flying colors.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So yes, any message to the students who are planning to study in Germany?
Yes. So first of all, I would like to say कि do well in your 12th, and then keep practicing, keep learning German. Even if you are not in Germany, आप खुद से like आप कोर्स करने से, आप कोर्स करने का प्लान कर रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं. आप अगर डिसीजन ले रहे हो कि जर्मनी आना है तो डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट थोड़ा सा खुद से सीखना शुरू कर दो. दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. देन व्हेन यू आर इन द कोर्स यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रास्प व्हाट आर द रूल्स,
The basic.
यस एग्जैक्टली. एंड फिर आपके लिए उतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू, तो अच्छा बेस बन जाएगा, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू गेट टिल A2 B1 and eventually C1. So it's not going to be a problem for you at all.
Right.
And फिर Aufnahme के लिए again I would suggest कि keep doing papers of past years, practice your math and German,
Right.
and that is the only thing you can do.
So completing German language B2 from Germany.
Yes.
So what was the idea behind that? Was it a good decision?
I would say yes, because India mein the thing is you don't get a lot of exposure speaking German to other people, right?
Correct.
You are in India, whatever region you're going to speak the local language. When you're in Germany, you have to speak in German. You have to survive in German. So it helps you a lot. It gives you a lot of practice, and it really improves your German a lot. And the teachers, they are very helpful. They will guide. हर step में आपके साथ होंगे.
And that is why I think so that it was very easier for you to crack student unique examination because you did your German language from Germany, right? And doing from Germany definitely has more benefits.
Yes.
And then you are definitely having the most of a student that is student unique, right?
Yes.
So yes, students, if you're also planning to study your medicine in Germany, so the first step is German language, then doing your Studienkolleg. For that also will help you out to make the application to different universities, the timeline. And then when you are in your FSP term, then we will add on the thing that what you have to do now and how we will be making the state examination applications. So yes, if you're also planning to study in Germany, you need to contact Amrit Pallab Vision and you will be getting a lot more, not just the application, not just the visa, but the community what we have here in Germany. Thank you.